Welcome to the Full Tracy Monday Daily Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 3:54 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is January 14th. Today we had a reasonably positive day on Wall Street. We had a bit of bouncing around at the beginning of the session, but then it closed in positive territory. That was directly in response to the more positive PPI number. And of course, we've got CPI numbers tomorrow. But PPI was below expectations and it's continuing to contract. So that's certainly positive, and it removes at least some of the stress around the possibility that inflation is starting to get out of control again. Then in Europe, the majority of indices finished in positive territory. The FTSE 100 was an exception, which really was more of a reflection of the rebound that we saw in the pound, which wasn't up a lot, but it was in positive territory. So that was certainly something that was celebrated by European markets. Then in Japan, the market was down nearly 2%, whereas China was up in excess of 2% for the CSI 300, but the Shenzhen composite, which would be more techy, was up over 4%, and the Hang Seng in Hong Kong was up 1.8%. So certainly a little bit more encouraging action coming through from the Chinese indices. What I'm looking at right now is the chart pattern for Weight Watchers International, WW International. I'm looking at it since its IPO in 2001. And then if we just think about the ups and downs that it's had, then I find it rather ironic that the share price has the same kind of jumps and crashes that the kind of customer that they were looking for would have had in their diets. But the share is down 99% from its peak in 2018. Now, the big pop on the upside in 2017 was due to Oprah Winfrey taking a significant piece of the company and then acting as its spokesperson. And that really helped to push it on to very significant advances. Then, over the last couple of years, she has admitted to using some of the anti-obesity drugs.